Aloha and welcome. I am at home and I'm so bored with the COVID-19 and I don't know what to do with myself. So I posted I was bored on the Instagram and Facebook. A lot of my friends messaged me say, "Oh, can you show us to make something simple, easy at home that they can do it?" So today I'm gonna show you how to make the satay bean sprout with the tofu. It can be vegan, can be vegetarian. It's very healthy and it's good for you. So first I'm gonna start with the oil. I'm gonna put some oil in there. Then I'm gonna add about half pack of tofu. Now if you like it more, you can add more or less. And one good thing about this recipe is it's very simple. If you don't have any certain ingredient, you don't need to do it. You don't need to use it. You can just substitute anything. But what I like about bean sprout is very high in protein. So people that with the vegan diet, this one is very good for you because you don't need to worry about, low carb, high in protein, and it's a good protein. And same thing as a tofu. So once the tofu brown a little bit, then we're gonna add a little bit of the bean sprout. Now some people they add a little bit garlic. If you don't have garlic, you don't have to worry about it. You have add a little bit of onion. You don't have red onion, you can just skip it. You can smell the aromatic already. And then we're gonna add a little bit of a chicken stock or hot water. What this does is help steam and fasten the cooking part. Now for seasoning, I use some oyster sauce, a little bit of a pinch of pepper, and I like to use fish sauce. This is a fish sauce. You don't have fish sauce, you can use soy sauce. If you are vegan or vegetarian, you can just put the salt instead. It's very easy, simple. This is about almost done already, so we're gonna add the green onion and toasted sesame seed. You can use sesame oil if you want. So voila, this one is done already. So I'm gonna put it in the. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Something very simple and it can be done in less than 3 minutes, I believe. So please enjoy.